Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Easter treat that your friends and family will love.
Here's everything you're gonna need to make the Easter punch. We have some whipped cream for the topping. We have strawberry lemonade. We have lemon lime soda, vanilla ice cream, sprinkles, and some Peeps. Then we have some cute little straws and some glasses. Okay, so I'm just gonna get all this stuff opened up here. Got the vanilla ice cream, which I've pulled out, and it's been sitting on the counter for a couple minutes to soften up a bit. And you can do strawberry ice cream. You can really kind of play with this and make or do what your family likes best, but I thought I'd just stick with plain vanilla. So we've got our vanilla here, and I'm not gonna do specific measurements on this. I'm literally just gonna eyeball it and see what looks good. I'm sure it's gonna taste good regardless. So we've got our strawberry lemonade there. Let's open this up too. All of this stuff has been in the refrigerator. I suggest cooling your items before you do this, just so that the ice cream lasts a little bit longer. These are more of like a float type drink. So let's get a scoop of ice cream in each of our jars here. Let's go with 2 scoops actually. I think my scoops are very scoopy looking, but we'll call it good. Alrighty. 2. And 2. Perfect. All right. And then let's pour a little bit of lemon lime soda, but do it slowly because when the soda hits the ice cream, it fizzes a lot. So let's do just a little bit of this. You want to pour it slowly. There we go. Start out small and then go from there. Some more over here. Okay, and then we're gonna add some of the strawberry lemonade. Add the whipped cream here now. And I'm gonna take, well, actually, let's get some of the sprinkles on. I have these really cute little Easter ones. This is probably gonna make a little bit of a mess, but they're so pretty. I love these bright, springy colors. You can just hear them hitting the floor everywhere. Okay. There we are. And we're gonna open up these Peeps. You can get any color you want. Blue is just what I thought would look nice with these. And then take one of your straws. Just put it right up in there. And then stick it right in. How cute is that? Third one down. These are quick and easy and super cute, and I'm sure the kids will love these. And here they are. Easter punch. Cute Cute little sprinkles. You've got the strawberry lemonade, the Sprite, the ice cream. Make these and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.